Hello, happy people. This is Mr. Wilcox coming to you again from my kitchen table. We've learned the last few days how to add and subtract polynomials. Today we're going to learn one method to multiply polynomials. There are two methods. There's the box method and FOIL. And so today we're going to cover the box method. Before we do the box method, we are going to talk about what happens if you just need to distribute. So I'm going to pause here so you can write this in your notes. So pause the video, and when you're ready, hit play again. All right, so if we just have a monomial, which remember means only one term, it's kind of time waster to make a whole box because all we really have to do is distribute. So we're going to take our 2x cubed outside and multiply by everything inside. So we're going to start with 2x cubed times 3x squared. And remember to multiply exponents. We multiply the numbers out front, the coefficients. So 2 times 3 is 6. And because we're multiplying two powers with the same base, we're going to add our exponents. So x cubed times x squared. 3 plus 2 is 5. All right. Let's see if I can get that 5 to be a little better. There we go. All right. So next we're going to take our 2x cubed and multiply by our negative 2x. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And x cubed times x, remember there's a hidden 1 on that x. So we have x cubed times x to the first. So we're going to get x to the 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we're going to take our 2x cubed and multiply it by our 5. So 2x cubed times 5, 2 times 5 is 10. And there's no power to multiply by the x cubed, so it stays x cubed. So if we distribute that 2x cubed, our product is 6x to the 5th minus 4x to the 4th plus 10x cubed. So you don't have to use box or FOIL if you're just multiplying one term outside, if you're just multiplying a monomial. All right, so if you don't have a monomial, so you have more than one term being multiplied by each other, today we're going to learn how to use the box method. So I'm going to pause here so you can pause the video and write this down in your notebook, and when you're ready, just hit play again. So to use the box method, we're going to literally make a box, and along the top, we're going to write the terms from our first polynomial, and along the side, we're going to write the terms from our second polynomial. That order doesn't really matter if you put it on top or the side, as long as one polynomial goes on top, the other one goes on the side. And then we're going to multiply each term by each term, side of the box times top of the box, side of the box times side of the box. Then we're going to once we've done that and gotten all our boxes filled, we're going to write out our product, and then we're going to combine like terms. So that's going to make a whole lot more sense when we do an example. And our first example is x minus 4 times 3x plus 2. So we are going to make, since there are two terms in each polynomial, we're going to make a 2 by 2 box, and on top, I'm going to put my x and my negative 4. And on the side, I'm going to put my 3x and my 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the side of the box times the top of the box. So 3x times x would be 3x squared, because remember there's a hidden 1 here and a hidden 1 here, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So our third step then said to write out our product. So our product is 3x squared minus 12x plus 2x minus 8. So I'm just writing out the terms we had from our box, and then we just have to combine like terms. And our only like terms here are negative 12x and 2x. So our answer, our product, will be 3x squared. And negative 2x plus 12x is negative 10x minus 8. So we have a polynomial, 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. The powers go in order. So we have 2, 1, and no power for the constant. And we have no like terms. So this is as simplified as our answer can get. So our solution is 3x squared minus 10x minus 8. All right, I have one more example for you, and that's x plus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 1. So our first polynomial has 2 terms, and our second one has 3 terms. So I'm going to make a 2 by 3 box. Maybe. Bam, bam. I'm going to put my x and my 2 on the side. Remember I said it didn't matter which order you did. When you have 3 terms, I like to make longer boxes. They make more sense to me. If you want to make it up and down, that's fine as well. And then we're going to put our x squared, our 2x, and our 1 on top. So let's multiply our side of our box by our top of our box. So we're going to take x to the first. Remember there's in 1 there, times x squared. So that gets us x cubed, because 1 plus 2 is 3. And we have 2x, and again there's a hidden 1 there, times x. So we're going to have 2, and we're going to have x. And then we add our exponents. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2x squared. Then we have x times 1, which is just x to the first, or x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 2 is 4x. And 2 times 1 is 2. So if we write that out, I have x cubed plus 2x squared. And then I'm going to go back up here, plus another 2x squared. And then I have a 4x. And then over here I have an x. And over here I have a 2. So if you notice, I went down my boxes. I did that so that the like terms that we have are going to show up right next to each other. So I have 2 x squared terms, and I have 2 x terms. So I'm going to combine those. So I have x cubed, 2x squared plus 2x squared. Remember, we're adding again, so our exponents don't change. They stay exactly the same. We just add our coefficients. We have 4x plus a hidden, there's a 1 here. So 4x plus a 1x is 5x. And we have a constant plus 2. So we have a polynomial. Do our powers go in order? Well, we have 3, 2, 1, and 0 for the constant. And are there any like terms? There are not. So this is our most simplified product. So this is our answer. X cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2. So to use the box method, just put one term on the side, one term on the top, multiply each term on the side by the ones on top, write it out, and combine your like terms. So I hope you're all happy, I hope you're all healthy, and I hope you all have a great day.